What is up, guys? I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you on Windows 11. I'm going to be showing you how to install Windows 11 if it doesn't meet the requirements, and I will show you what I mean real quick. I am in VMware, and that is where I'm running into this issue. However, whoops, I missed the timeout. Alright, so Windows 11 has a few requirements. Obviously some of them my PC passes, like 4 gigs of RAM and things like that. Okay, so anyway, the requirement it does not pass. I do not have TPM enabled right now, and I don't have Secure Boot enabled right now. But real quick, I'm going to show you the screen I'm talking about. Alright, so it says this PC can't run Windows 11. Doesn't give you much input. Alright, so what we're going to do here, we'll just go back. We're going to press, what was it? I think it's Shift F10. Yes. We're going to go to regedit, regedit. It'll bring up our registry editor. We want to go to HKey local machine, system, setup, right click in here, click new, key, call it LabConfig, just like that, capital L, capital C. Now make sure you're in this LabConfig here. We're gonna go to new and we're going to create a DWORD 32-bit value. We are going to call it BypassCPUCheck. We're going to go ahead and modify that and make that a whoops, wrong key. We're going to make that a, my num lock's off, that's why. I'm going to make that a 1. And we're going to need 3 more of these. BypassTPMCheck. BypassRAMCheck, we'll set that to 1. BypassSecureBootCheck, and we will set that to 1. Now that these are all in here, we will go ahead and close this, close our command prompt, hit install now. And there you go, you are on your way to installing Windows 11. And as you can see here, it was a success. We are booting into Windows 11 right now. No TPM, no secure boot. I will make a separate video for actual hardware. However, this will work on actual hardware as well. If you have an old computer lying around that you want to put Windows 11 on for some reason, personally, I would still recommend Windows 10. That's a personal preference. Alright, and just like that, we are in the Windows 11 setup. So obviously Windows 11 is completely installed now. I'm gonna have to go ahead and connect that. But as always, thank you so much for watching, guys. Go ahead and leave a comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.